So here the question number 5. This is the total section. This is 60 mm. One is 60 mm and is a 70 kilonewton force acting right hand side, 40 kilonewton left hand side, and 30 kilonewton another force is P, which is not given. Okay, so let the section AA, B, C, D. Okay, so now here P is not given, but as the whole the component is in equilibrium condition, so the net force acting along the horizontal direction should be 0. That is, Fx equal to 0, then 70 right hand side force 70 plus 30, left hand side force 40 plus P. So 70 plus 30 100, 40 plus P, so P equal to 60 kilonewton. So this is the force, and here the material is given, that is Young's modulus of elasticity 202 gigapascal. So that is E is given, but here now we need to calculate del L. So before that we have to draw the free body diagram. So this is the free body diagram of first section, that is AA and PV. So if you see, then AA section, there is a constant force, that is 40 kilonewton acting in the left hand side. So in the equilibrium condition there must be 40 kilonewton in the right hand side, because the section 1 hold the component is in equilibrium. So if there is 40 kilonewton, the right hand side will be 40 kilonewton. Then the section 2, that is BBCC. Okay, now as the 40 kilonewton acting in the right hand side the section B, but if we see the figure in the BB section 30 kilonewton acting in the right hand side, as 40 kilonewton already in the right hand side, so to make 30 kilonewton, we have to supply 10 kilonewton in the left hand side. So that now if you see at the section BB, the net force is here 40 right hand side, 10 left hand side, so net will be here 30 kilonewton. So which is similar to the original figure, that the net force acting on the section B is what 30 kilonewton, and for equilibrium condition there must be 10 kilonewton in the right hand side of the section 2. So now the section 2 is in equilibrium condition. Now the section 3, that is CC and DD. So in the section CC, the actual force acting in the section C, that is P, which is 60 kilonewton. Okay, uh, but in the section DD already 70 kilonewton is present. That's why we need to put 70 kilonewton. So if the, but if you see the section actually in CC, then that is the amount of P, that is 60 kilonewton, which is in the left hand side acting on the section CC. Okay, so acting, if we compare this free body diagram, then 10 kilonewton at the section CC right hand side and 70 kilonewton in the left hand side. That's why, so the net force acting on the section CC is 60 kilonewton, which is similar to the original figure, that is P, which is acting 60 kilonewton in the left hand side. Okay, so now the formula, that is del L1 plus del L2 plus del L3. Here P1 is your P1 by P1 L1 by A1, area is not constant, that's why A1. Okay, next, and as Young's modulus of elasticity is constant for all the material, because material is the same, so 1 by will be taken as common. Next P2 L2 by A2 plus P3 L3 by A3. Okay, so this is the del L formula. All the forces are tensile forces, that's why all are taken as positive. Now if we put the value, then we'll get 1 by E is given 202 into 10 to the power 3 megapascal, and P1 is given that is 40 kilonewton, 40 into 10 to the power 3 into L1 is 600 divided by A1 is 706.85 plus this is 10 into 10 to the power 3, and L2 is given 800. Sorry, 1 minute, this is 800. Note, because section 2 each year length how much, 800. 800 divided by a2. So a2 is here. If you calculate this is pi by 4 d square. D is here 60. Section 2 diameter is given 60 mm. So if we calculate, then pi by 4 d square, we will get the value 2827.43 plus P3 is here 70 into 10 to the power 3 into L3 is here 900 divided by 1256.63. So that is we will get 0.3 mm. So this is the form answer. Okay, so the PDF which I have been provided to you, there may be some mistake or there may be some missing of unit, because it is the handwritten of your senior student. That's why there may be some problem, that there may be some mistake. So you need to check the PDF with this video, so that if any correction, then we can easily find out. Okay, so everything is mentioned here, what are the unit and what is the length, because in some point in PDF the unit is missing. So check. Thank you. Okay.